What if you could build your own software without writing a single line of code? Not just simple websites. I mean AI tools, SaaS apps, WordPress plugins, mobile apps, Chrome extensions, productivity software, and even apps you could potentially sell to clients. That's exactly what RoboTech claims to do. But here's the real question. Can a one-time purchase really replace expensive AI coding tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and Bubble? Or is this just another overhyped launch? I've gone through the sales page, features, pricing, and everything RoboTech promises, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what it offers, where it shines, where it falls short, and whether it's actually worth buying. So make sure you watch until the end because there's one feature that completely changes the value of this software. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoboTech Review. If you're new here, I review the latest AI tools, software, and online business platforms to help you decide whether they're worth your money. Unlike promotional videos that only show the good side, I like to look at both the strengths and the limitations so you can make an informed decision. Now before we begin, if you decide RoboTech is right for you after watching this review, you'll find my affiliate link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you, and if the creators include any exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to access those as well. Now let's dive in. If you've ever wanted to create software, you've probably run into one of these problems. First, learning to code takes months or even years. Second, hiring developers can easily cost hundreds or thousands of dollars for a single project. Third, even no-code builders often require subscriptions that keep adding up every month. And finally, many people simply don't know where to start. This is exactly the audience RoboTech is targeting. Instead of learning programming or hiring developers, RoboTech promises to let AI generate software for you inside one dashboard. According to the sales page, the platform is designed to create software in over 20 programming languages without requiring coding knowledge. If that works well, it could save both time and money for beginners and entrepreneurs. But of course, the quality of the generated software depends on the prompts you provide and the platform's capabilities, so it's worth evaluating those claims carefully. So what exactly is RoboTech? Based on the information provided by the creators, RoboTech is a cloud-based AI software creation platform. Instead of relying on just one AI model, RoboTech says it combines several coding-focused AI systems into a single interface. The sales page lists models such as Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Gemini, Grok, Metacode Llama, Bubble, Perplexity, along with RoboTech's own proprietary AI. The idea is simple. You describe the software you want to build. The AI generates the project. Then RoboTech allows you to publish or sell that software. One thing I do like is that everything is presented as being inside a single dashboard instead of switching between multiple AI subscriptions. That could be convenient for users who regularly experiment with AI-assisted development. However, it's important to remember that the sales page is making these claims, so if you're considering buying, it's a good idea to verify exactly which AI capabilities are included in the version you're purchasing. Now let's look at what RoboTech appears to offer. From the screenshots and demos shown on the sales page, the interface looks beginner-friendly. Instead of complex developer tools, you choose the type of software you want to create. The creators showcase categories including SaaS applications, WordPress plugins, mobile apps, SEO software, content writing tools, video software, social media tools, productivity apps, ebook software, text-to-speech tools, autoresponder software, games, and more. That variety is one of RoboTech's biggest selling points. Rather than focusing on one niche, it aims to generate different types of software from a single platform. The creators also describe a simple three-step process. Step 1. Log into the cloud dashboard. Step 2. Describe the software you want the AI to build. Step 3. Generate and publish your application. If the workflow is as straightforward as shown, it lowers the barrier to creating software compared with traditional development. But features alone don't make a software product worth buying. The real question is, how powerful are the AI models inside RoboTech? And can they actually produce software that's useful enough for real projects? That's exactly what we'll cover next. So far, RoboTech sounds impressive on paper. But features are what separate a useful AI tool from another overhyped product launch. Let's see exactly what you're getting. Feature number 1: multiple AI coding models in one dashboard. One of RoboTech's biggest selling points is that it brings together multiple coding-focused AI systems inside a single platform. According to the sales page, these include Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Perplexity, Metacode Llama, Grok, Bubble, plus RoboTech's own AI assistant. Now, if these integrations work as advertised, this could be a major convenience because many of these services normally require separate accounts or subscriptions. Instead of switching between different AI tools, RoboTech aims to let you build projects from one interface. That could save time for users who regularly experiment with AI-assisted development. However, it's worth checking exactly how these AI models are integrated in the version you purchase, since access levels and capabilities can vary. Feature number 2: no coding required. Probably the biggest reason people will be interested in RoboTech is the promise that you don't need to know programming. Instead of writing code manually, you simply describe what you want. For example, I need a task management SaaS. Or create a WordPress plugin for SEO. Or build a mobile expense tracker. The AI then generates the software for you. For beginners, that's obviously much easier than learning JavaScript, Python or PHP from scratch. If you're someone who's always wanted to build software but coding has held you back, check the first link in the description after watching this review. I'll also mention who I think should, and shouldn't, buy RoboTech before the end of this video. Feature number 3: huge variety of software. What impressed me most was the number of software categories shown on the sales page. According to the creators, RoboTech can generate SaaS applications, WordPress plugins, mobile apps, desktop software, productivity apps, SEO tools, AI tools, content writing software, video software, games, social media tools, text-to-speech apps, webinar software, domain tools, ebook software, autoresponder apps, and much more. Now obviously, whether every category produces production-ready software depends on the quality of the generated output. But the variety itself is impressive. Feature number 4: commercial license. This is where RoboTech becomes interesting for freelancers and agencies. The front-end offer includes commercial rights. That means you can potentially build software for clients instead of only using it yourself. Imagine someone asks for a custom productivity app. Or a local business wants its own booking software. Instead of hiring a developer, RoboTech claims you can generate the software yourself. Again, actual project quality will depend on your review and testing, but commercial rights definitely add value. Feature number 5: publish your apps. Another feature highlighted on the sales page is app publishing. According to the creators, you can publish software to various marketplaces and platforms. They also mention creating mobile applications, WordPress plugins and cloud software. For creators who want to build digital products rather than physical products, that's definitely an attractive concept. Feature number 6: built-in payments. One thing I didn't expect. RoboTech claims to integrate payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. That means, according to the creators, You can monetize software directly without needing additional payment systems. If implemented well, this could simplify selling digital products. Feature number 7: Customer Support. Another interesting promise. The creators state they even help with customer support for your software. Now, I'd definitely recommend reading exactly what level of support is included, because that's something buyers should verify. But if it works the way described, it removes another obstacle for beginners. On the other hand, if you're already an experienced professional software developer who enjoys writing custom code from scratch, you might prefer traditional development tools. Likewise, if you expect AI to generate a perfect commercial application with zero editing or testing, it's important to keep realistic expectations. AI-generated software often still benefits from human review and refinement. I like several things about RoboTech. Number 1. Beginner-friendly approach. Number 2. Large collection of AI models. Number 3. Commercial license. Number 4. Cloud-based platform. Number 5. Many different software categories. Number 6. Potential to save money compared with paying for multiple subscriptions, depending on how the included AI access works. Now let's talk about some potential drawbacks. First, the sales page includes ambitious income examples. Those should be viewed as promotional claims rather than guaranteed outcomes. Second, the quality of any AI-generated software depends on your requirements, testing, and refinement. It's wise to review the generated code or app before deploying it. Third, if you need very advanced enterprise software with highly customized functionality, you may still need additional development work. Affiliate CTA number 2. So far, RoboTech looks like a promising option for people who want to create software without learning to code. If you're interested, don't rush just because of countdown timers or income examples. Watch this full review first, then decide whether it fits your needs. If you choose to buy, using the affiliate link in the description helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So we've covered the features, the strengths, and a few important limitations. But there's still one question left. Is RoboTech actually worth the price? Let's break down the pricing, value, and my final verdict in the last part of this review. So after everything we've covered, the big question is RoboTech actually worth buying? Let's talk about pricing first. At the time I'm recording this video, RoboTech is being offered for a one-time payment of around $14.95 during the launch period. Now compared to paying monthly for multiple AI coding assistants, that sounds extremely inexpensive. The sales page even compares RoboTech against services like Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Gemini, GitHub Copilot, Bubble, and Perplexity. However, keep in mind that those services have different capabilities and subscription models, so it's important not to assume RoboTech is a full replacement for each one. Think of it as an AI software creation platform that aims to simplify the process. One thing I genuinely like: the commercial license is included during the launch. That means you can potentially create software for yourself, sell software, or offer software development services to clients. If you're a freelancer, that alone could make the purchase worthwhile if it saves you time on projects. Here are a few practical ways someone might use RoboTech. Build a simple SaaS tool for a niche audience. Create a WordPress plugin to solve a common problem. Prototype an app idea before investing in full development. Build internal business tools to automate repetitive tasks. Generate starter projects that you can refine further. Offer app building services to small businesses. The value depends on how you use it, not just on buying it. Depending on when you purchase, the creators mention additional bonuses and launch incentives. These can change during the launch period, so if you're interested, check the sales page through the link in the description to see the current offer. So, would I recommend RoboTech? Here's my opinion. If you're looking for an AI platform that helps you create software faster, especially if you don't have much coding experience, RoboTech looks like an interesting option to explore. I like that it focuses on software creation instead of trying to be a general-purpose chatbot. The commercial license is another strong point. That said, it's important to keep realistic expectations. AI-generated apps are usually a starting point, not a guarantee of a polished, production-ready product. You'll still want to test, review, and refine anything you plan to sell or deploy. I think RoboTech is worth considering if you want to build software without learning to code from scratch. You're a freelancer or agency looking to speed up client work. You're interested in creating digital products. You enjoy experimenting with AI tools. You want to prototype ideas quickly. I'd probably skip RoboTech if you're expecting guaranteed income. You need highly specialized enterprise-grade software with no manual work. You're happy using traditional development workflows and don't need AI assistance. If RoboTech sounds like something you'd actually use, you can check it out using the first link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and if there are any launch discounts or bonuses still available, you'll be able to see them on the official page. As always, review the details carefully and decide whether it fits your goals. If you found this review helpful, please leave a like. Subscribe for more honest AI software reviews. And let me know in the comments. If AI could build one app for you today, what would it be? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next review.